Have you ever tried to switch your website to HTTPS, only to run into unexpected issues? It can be really confusing, right? If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into Laravel HTTPS routes and how to troubleshoot them. I totally understand your frustration. Moving a website from HTTP to HTTPS is a common task, but it can lead to some puzzling problems. You're definitely not alone in this, and many developers face similar challenges. Let's look at the specific situation you're facing. You mentioned that after changing your website URL in the configuration file to HTTPS, you expected everything to work smoothly. However, you're seeing different results when using the route helper in Tinker versus in your Blade templates. Sound familiar? Let's break this down. So, what's happening here? Laravel's route helper can sometimes behave differently depending on the context in which it's called. This can lead to confusion, especially when switching between HTTP and HTTPS. Let's explore why this might be happening. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you ensure your routes always return the correct URL, no matter the context. To address the issue with Laravel's route helper, the user should first ensure that the application is aware of the HTTPS protocol. This can be done by setting the correct environment variable. Next, the user should check the configuration for the session and trust proxies. This is important for Laravel to correctly identify the request scheme. After that, the user should clear the configuration cache. This step ensures that any changes made to the configuration files are recognized by the application. Finally, the user should test the routes again in the Blade templates. This will confirm whether the changes have resolved the issue with the HTTP and HTTPS links. Fun fact, the first website ever created is still online. It was launched in 1991 and is a simple page about the World Wide Web. Imagine how far we've come since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves modifying the .env file. They suggest setting force HTTPS to true. Additionally, in the app service provider, you should use the URL facade to force the HTTPS scheme based on your environment settings. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your environment settings and server configurations when switching to HTTPS. This can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the issues with your Laravel HTTPS routes. Remember, keeping your configurations in check is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and stay tuned for our next video.